Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiki Drinks at Home. Today I'll be showing you how to make a shingle stain. So get out your ladders, because we're headed up on the roof. Alright, so you don't need a ladder. I'm not talking about creating a discolored patch on your roof, but rather Trader Vic's often overlooked tiki cocktail, the Shingle Stain. So the first time I made this drink for my wife, I told her the name, and she was like,
"It's a what? Oh, disgusting."
But I can assure you, this drink is nothing but delicious. The name Shingle Stain actually refers to the drink's reddish color and not its flavor, which is fairly sweet, tart, with a splash of cranberry. Trader Vic, knowing that people might be a little disturbed by the name, commented in his cookbooks, "Now don't take a shingle off the roof, this is really good, no foolin'." Before we go any further, I just wanted to give a heartfelt thank you to the YouTube cocktail making community. As you know, Tiki Drinks at Home is just getting started, and we have experienced nothing but love and support since we've launched. There are a ton of great cocktail-related channels here on YouTube, including 60 Second Cocktails, Booze on the Rocks, and Rob's Home Bar, just to name a few. These content creators are great resources to grow your cocktail knowledge and increase your library of cocktail recipes. Check out the video description for more information on these channels and others that I've enjoyed, and please take a moment to subscribe. You won't regret it. So let's start building Trader Vic's Shingle Stain. So we're going to start off with half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now, I'll often use a little better quality pre-bottled lime juice in my cocktails, but since this is a Trader Vic's original, we gotta go with the freshly squeezed. Next up, 2 ounces of dark rum. I'm using Myers Dark for this one, as I'm a fan of the richer, more intense rum flavor. But you can use any dark rum that you have available. 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice, which is where we'll get most of that reddish color from, that great Shingle Stain red. Balance the flavor off with a little pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce. And then about 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Gotta make that red just a little bit darker. And then finally, 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. You can definitely add more if you're a fan of bitters, but the recipe itself actually calls for 2. Now we're going to add the drink to a shaker with about 1.5 cups of crushed ice. And you're going to want to shake that until it's nice and cold. Then pour it unstrained into a glass. You're going to see that the drink is a little foamy, and that's due to the cranberry juice, so just give it a few seconds to settle. Garnish with a little mint, and you're ready to enjoy this totally unappreciated tiki cocktail, the Shingle Stain.